Analyze the geometry around the carbonyl carbon, the rightmost carbon atom. This carbon atom is bonded to 3 neighboring atoms. The leftmost carbon atom, a double-bonded oxygen atom, and a single-bonded oxygen atom. It has 0 non-bonding lone pairs of electrons. Apply VSEPR theory to the carbonyl carbon, because this carbon has exactly 3 electron domains, all of which are bonding domains. It exhibits a trigonal planar molecular geometry with sp to the power 2 hybridization. Determine coplanarity based on trigonal planar geometry. According to VSEPR theory, all 4 atoms in a trigonal planar arrangement lie in the same flat plane. Therefore, the carbonyl carbon, the other carbon atom, and both oxygen atoms are coplanar, meaning both C atoms and both O atoms lie in the same plane. This makes option B the correct statement. Evaluate the geometry of other central atoms in the cation. Leftmost carbon atom, alpha. Carbon. This carbon is single bonded to 4 atoms, N, 2 H's, and the carbonyl C, with no non-bonding lone pairs. It has 4 electron domains, meaning the geometry around it is roughly tetrahedral. Nitrogen atom. The nitrogen atom is bonded to 4 atoms, 3 H's and the leftmost C, with no non-bonding lone pairs, giving it 4 electron domains. The geometry of the electron domains around the nitrogen atom is roughly tetrahedral. The correct answer is option B. Both C atoms and both O atoms lie in the same plane.